Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Gmail app, and in today's video I will show you on how to send zip file in your Gmail app. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you open up your Google Drive. So go ahead and open up Google Drive, and then if you do not have the zip file uploaded in your Google Drive already, what you need to do is to make sure you click on the plus sign right here and go ahead and click on upload. Then select the zip folder and upload it successful. So you can go ahead and go to file manager right here. Then go ahead and look for your zips. Just like so, I'm going to go ahead and select this zip right here and upload. Just like what you see right here, go ahead and click on upload. So once you upload the zip file successful, so you're going to have it right here. So let me refresh. So we have the zip file right here in Google Drive. After you have successfully uploaded your zip file, next thing we want to do is to exit from our Google Drive right here. Then we want to make sure we go to Gmail app. So go ahead and open up your Gmail app. After you open up your Gmail app, next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on Compose. And the next thing you want to do is to enter the recipient email address. Then scroll down right here. Then scroll down right here, enter the subject. You can call it zip file compressor video file. The next thing we want to do right here is to enter the compose email right here. So you can enter the content of the zip file. Here is video compress file zip, just zip file, just like so. Next thing we want to do is to go ahead and click on this attach right here. Then we want to make sure we click on drive. Right here, we want to make sure we look for the zip file. So we have this zip file right here. So go ahead and select on that. Then go ahead and click on select. So you can attach as many as possible. And you can attach as many as possible zip file in this regard. And next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on this icon to send. Go ahead and click on OK. Then here you go. You have sharing options. So recipients do not need a Google account. They can view, they can comment, they can edit as the case may be. Send without sharing. So I'm going to go ahead and make sure I switch to, I'm just going to leave it in the can view. Click on send right here. And it has been successfully sent. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks like this, consider subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.